What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deposit money in FBS account. So, you're wondering how do you deposit money here in your FBS account? Well, depositing something or in this case money or funds into your account is really easy. First things first, you want to open up the FBS account here and or app here, and you want to go and just log into your account. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you should see trade, position, more, and finally funds. Now, if you want to deposit your money in your account, you need to choose funds. And in here, you have two options. So we have withdraw and deposit. Let's go and choose deposit. Now, depending on where you are, the options that you could deposit into your account may be different. But in this case, you should have the option here to deposit via a Visa or MasterCard. You could also have the option to deposit cryptocurrency like USDT or TRC through the TRC20 network. And you also have like banks as well here specifically. So yeah, go and choose one that is actually beneficial for you or the one you want to use. Like for example, let's go and choose one of the e-wallets here, like for example Gcash. Go ahead and press it. And from here, it's going to basically ask you to verify yourself. Now, in order for you to proceed with the deposit itself, click on the Get Verified here and just follow the on-screen step. But usually, once you verified yourself in the actual platform, you should now have the option to basically deposit funds into your account. Now, obviously, you need to just follow these steps depending on what you've chosen here, the way you want to deposit your money. So go and just choose or follow the on-screen steps and provide all the necessary information in order for you to make the deposit. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.